Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's Sophie here. This is our contact. If you want to check any product, please contact us on WhatsApp and message or WeChat. Here, as you can see, today's video, it's the review for a DIOR slippers. You can see it's in the classic colorway. It's the black and the navy colors for DIOR. Okay. It's a men's slipper. You can see here, it's the suede. You can see the color changed when the fingers touch it. Okay, it's the suede. For this navy suede. And this part is the DIOR oblique canvas. The barcode for DIOR here. Okay, you can see it has the DIOR barcode here. Okay, the inside here you can see the codes and the size 14.5. You can see the size here and the inner code for this part. Okay, the bottom stickers and the logos made in Italy. Okay, for this DIOR, you can see the slippers. It has a very perfect packing. It has the gift box. You can see the gift box here. Okay, and also it has the dust bag, black dust bag, also the shopping paper bag, and a perfect box too. For packing, as you can see here, also the receipt, I remove the price, the receipt. What you see here is what you will get from our shops. Okay, if you are interested for these amazing slippers, please contact us on WhatsApp and message or WeChat. Thank you for watching. It's Sophie here. See you next video.